We're on site here today. We're doing a insulated concrete form foundation, and the benefits of ICF is limitless, especially in the smaller applications where we're not relying on a concrete forming company that's got a big crew and has got a lot of overhead to cover.
My name is Scott Carpenter. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Ontario for Nudura Corporation. Our products are made up of EPS foam, which is expanded polystyrene, with webbing material spaced every 8 inches on center, and that gives it the strength to resist the concrete pressures that we'll be putting into this product at a later date. The insulation ends up staying in place, which gives you your insulation on the form itself, so it acts as an insulating barrier, but also gives you the strength and the durability of a concrete structure once it's all completed. So what they're doing here today is really a nice little addition onto the front of a house, and really just the foundation part of it. So the way we start with our products is we start on a regular strip footing, pour it in place. The forms would then stack on top of that footing. Reinforcing steel is introduced inside the actual form itself if required. Once you stack the forms up, they're very similar to Lego pieces where you actually lock them together. Once you build it up to your desired wall height, you then place your concrete into the wall, and then once that cures, the insulation, the forming material stays in place.
At Alair Homes, we always try to seek the highest quality building products, the highest quality building practices. And because we do deliver our transparent business model, we allow our clients to see the actual costs of the material, the cost of the labor involved to put it in, and when they can actually add up the pros and cons, they can make an educated decision whether they did want to go forward with the insulated concrete forming, or if we just want to go traditional block foundation. We do present our clients with all the different options so that they can make that educated decision moving forward. Yeah, so just one more reason to bring Alair Homes into your renovations project moving forward, so we can bring these innovative solutions into your reality.